what is this Data Vault Connect? So we took the industry standard parameters of OAuth 2.0. What
Hmm.
this is, and for you, those of you who are techie out there, there's a tokenization process for logins. It's something that Google and Facebook use. When you go to sign up for a new app or website or sign into one, it'll say sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, or log in with Google, log in with Facebook, depending on the path that you're taking. What you are going to be able to see is have a new button that says log in with Turtle, vault and monetize your data. Now, why would a company who's in the interest of doing the right thing for their customers, not the wrong thing, but they want to do the right thing, why would they not want to sign up for this? That'd be crazy. Why the company would want to give people the ability as a consumer to vault your data. This is
Yes,
very
yes, yes.
attractive. That means if I, as a consumer, going to use a website or an app, it is beneficial for me to choose the ones that have the login with Turtle button because it shows that the company respects me and respects my data. Now, as a company, it's easy for you to install. We have all this stuff. It's open source. You can put in a little bit of development work and have this thing on your site installed in no time. I mean, you do it for a Facebook login button. There's no reason you couldn't do it for Turtle, but what's the benefit for you? Let's talk about a little bit of these benefits. And Jason, you're going to run me through a lot of this
Yeah,
stuff.
I want to go to the OAuth revolution because I want people to understand